Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's daily market update. I'm Chief Analyst Ryan Fox here at OptionsXO. Let's go ahead and get started with today's announcements. Early this morning, we had some negative results for yen announcements on average cash earnings year on year and housing starts year on year, with 0.6% under 0.7% and 5.8% under 6.2% respectively. At 7 in the morning, we just saw German retail sales month on month positive at 0.5%, above forecasted 0%. French consumer spending also negative 0.1% under 0.3. German unemployment change negative 1,000 compared to forecast, and also Italian monthly unemployment rate at 12.4%. Less than 12.5% expected. At 9:30, we saw British pound announcements for current account, that's trade balance, final GDP quarterly, as well as index services and revised business investment quarterly. And the numbers reflected there, you can see current account negative 26.5 billion. That's greater than, or excuse me, less than the forecast hurting the pound. We also see 0.4%, 0.5% as expected for final GDP numbers and index services, and a slight improvement on revised business investment at 2%, above 1.8%. We also saw a lot of other year announcements for unemployment and inflation. CPI flash estimates year on year, 0.2% expected. Core CPI estimates at 0.8%, and unemployment hasn't changed at 11.1%. Italian preliminary CPI also negative, so 0.1% under 0.3% there. Later on this afternoon, starting at 1:30 to 3 o'clock British summertime, we have Canadian GDP month on month forecasted at 0.1%. Composite 20 HPI year on year at 5.3%, Chicago PMI 50.2, and Consumer Confidence Index at 97.1. If we take a quick look at the charts to see today's progress, we can see a little bit of a bump recently in the past hour for the euro dollar, hanging at 1.117. Gold heading downstairs 11.75 and falling. Pound dollar having a pretty much lackluster day at 1.57. Euro yen heading back up for the past hour, but mostly down today at 136.72. Aussie dollar range bounding looks like between 0.77 and 0.76. Dollar Canadian heading downstairs at 1.239, but mostly down today, but recently it's been gone up as of last week, yesterday. Dollar yen heading down 122.37. Crude oil at 58.6, and euro pound at 0.71. That's today's daily market update. I'm Chief Analyst Ryan Fox. Good luck with the trades, folks.